In this module, we are going to look at a particular microcontroller called ATmega 328. Now, ATmega 328 is the microcontroller that is available on the Arduino Uno boards. So, Arduinos come in different varieties, and if you pick up the Arduino Uno, which I hope you have by now, the microcontroller on it is ATmega 328. We are basically we'll learn how to program ATmega 328, and we are going to do this programming using the Arduino interface. We are basically using Arduino interface because it's very good and it's very easy to use it. We're going to use an Arduino board, connect the Arduino board to the computer, and program Arduino on the Arduino uh, screen, and but we are going to program ATmega 328 directly. We will look at what that means in the next video. Okay, for now, just to see the differences between ATmega 328 and the Arduino board as such, take a look at this. You can see here that uh, the central chip here is ATmega 328. It's a 28 pin device, chip, and it's got various inputs and outputs associated with it. And what the Arduino board does is it takes this ATmega 328 and builds a layer of software on top of uh, the ATmega 328, or to put it another way, to use the ATmega 328, and it gives each of the pins slightly more specific functions than what ATmega 328 has. And those functions are shown in the red on the screen. Uh, that is what. Uh, so ATmega 328 is something that we're going to program. You now know what a microcontroller is. And in the next video, we're going to look at why we are trying to program ATmega 328 specifically and how is it different from Arduino programming as such.